So hi guys, I welcome you all to this new course on Web3.js. I feel that you are spending most of your time these days at home due to all this pandemic situation. But nevertheless, if you're working for your future, if you're learning something new, then that's going to be an added advantage to you. So, as we are now to the second last course of this specialization, I'd like to tell you about what was in the first course. The first course was basically about blockchain basics, like very basic stuff. In the second course, we covered some advanced topics of blockchain. It was mostly the practical sessions. We had a whole project being built, which was a shared wallet. And also we learned Solidity coding from very scratch to all the data types, everything. So as we have already completed the basics part, which is the theoretical part, also the practical part of blockchain, now what do you think is left? If you want to be a full stack blockchain developer, what else do we need? We already have the backend ready, which is the blockchain backend, which is by the smart contracts. So now what do we need? We need next is something known as Web3.js, which means that by the Web3.js, we'll be able to integrate the backend with the frontend. And we'll get to know if there are some events carried out and what all stuff has happened with the blockchain and our smart contracts in real time. So in this course, I'll go through the Web3.js, I'll go through what it is, some additional things you would like to use, like the garage, the truffle box. So I'll let you know about everything, and this course is basically focused on Web3.js. I'll give you most of the parts of Web3.js so that it will be easier for you to go through the syntaxes, how to use, how to leverage all the functionality correctly, how to listen to events and everything. All sorts of that things will be covered in this course. Also, if you are like in the starting, I'll be going through some Web3 syntaxes here and there, and then we'll be working on a project kind of thing, which is the Truffle project or the demo project, you can say, from Truffle. So yeah, don't get overwhelmed by all these things if you don't know it. We'll get to see all of them and we'll get to practice everything, as we have already done the coding inside this course. So we'll be practicing some codes, we'll check out, we might find some errors also, but then we'll still move through to learn this Web3.js. And in the last part of this specialization, which is the next course which I'll be building, that will be basically getting everything at one place. So that will be a full stack project of blockchain. So it will contain the backend, the front end, and the integration via the Web3.js. It will be a totally amazing project, and let me know in the Q&A if you want some good projects, like any suggestions for projects you would like to have, so I can go for that project in my next course. So this course is basically focused on Web3.js. I hope you enjoy this course. Let's get into it.